This video introduces us to Workspaces, an essential concept when working with Altair Monarch Data Prep Studio. To begin, the Start and Preview windows both have a Recent Files section where we can access recent workspaces. Let's open this workspace on SAP Data. This brings up everything that is saved in a workspace, and that includes data sources that were previewed, loaded tables, data prep operations that were applied to the tables, joins such as this table joining the sales data with supplier information, and transformations such as this group by on the supplier country and manufacturer columns. Summaries are also saved to the workspace as we see here. Named exports, which this workspace does not have yet, are also saved to the workspace. Let's try that out now. Retain the defaults and click on Save. Now when we close and reopen the workspace, we see the export we created, as well as the summary, tables, data prep operations, and data sources we saw earlier.